Vacuum forming. Machines, types, and materials. This video will give an in-depth understanding of vacuum forming. You will be able to learn about what is vacuum forming, materials used in vacuum forming, machines used in vacuum forming, types of products made from vacuum forming, pros and cons of vacuum forming, and much more. Chapter 1. What is vacuum forming? Two types of molds are used in vacuum forming. Difference between thermoforming, vacuum forming, and pressure forming. Twin sheet thermoforming. Materials used in vacuum forming. Polycarbonate, PC. Polystyrene, PS. Polypropylene, PP. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Polyethylene, PE. Polyester copolymer, PETG. Acrylic PMMA. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Chapter 2. What machines are used in vacuum forming? DIY machine. Tabletop machine. Single heater machine. Double heater machine. Process of vacuum forming. Clamping. Heating. Sheet level, auto level. Pre-stretch, bubble. Plug assist. Vacuum. Cooling and release. Trimming and finishing. Chapter 3. What types of products are made using vacuum forming? Medical equipment. Some of these items are illustrated below. Electronic appliances. Lawn and garden equipment. Packaging and displays. Plastic food containers and trays. Utility vehicles. Chapter 4. What are the pros and cons of vacuum forming? Pros of vacuum forming. Affordability. Turnaround time. Flexibility. Sterile and food-grade materials. Volume. Consistency. Robustness. Cons of vacuum forming. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right vacuum forming manufacturer for your needs.